I'm here for my money. We invested with him through his junior pastors in Takwa, and he's been giving us dates upon days, promises upon promises. As for insults, I don't want to go there. I invested 40,000. As I speak to you, I'm a student and at the same time I work, and I need the money to pay my fees.
By time me passport and me sick. No, I fed here. Me from one more picking me call.
He gave us check and the check bounced. That is fraud. So we have every right to report the case. So we took the case to court, and they gave us a court letter or warrant or whatever it is issued to Kelvin with police officer. We went there. Kevin saw us. He didn't come out, and he instructed the security gate man not to accept the letter. We've sat down with this man over and over. We're not here just to make noise.
Over 95% of the investors did not even enjoy a single penny from the investment. Promise upon promises, and all these promises that he has been promising, none of them have been fulfilled.
If we need our money, that is why we are here. I invested 50,000 cedis. I was working with the mine, so when they paid us our redundancy package and all those things, most of them, we put some there. They took our statement, and then what we did was that they've advised us, so we'll be seeing them tomorrow. Kevin for the first time has been arrested and brought to the police headquarters, which has never been done before. Wow. So today, we know that what we did, we've had an impact, and then we will carry on with the other processes the next time.
Adom 106.3 acquire Saya, but DSP Juliana obeying a police CID for Omokasa Mafo. About Julie morning.
Mema na femi Joseph.
Na bibi abako there.
Nyame Adom me ho na nso.
Oba de adaroma. Ye ho ye battle cold bi but me sure say Ntwendu Friday dey noko.
Anya me sisi say bi na dey fa ahome so e dey ama me bless o call me by na me start to send me TV.
Zoe Church wo musika semne se credit union no say ye den yo muko mu na ye den nam so mako church of penino.
Minche wana pe na minche for enra ye tete ye say ye Zoe outreach church I what is Legon so far odano and the Kelvin Elson Godson police for action no and say maybe kind na say na maka say no an see no police for and say pastor maybe kind but me ko ba and say police for enya say phobia one more invested one real estate business be mo real estate limited no sanko for no branch na water kwano abasi omo ababegu na sorry what is becon mas nyen nsi ayen di kan enyaye yankwanko pi ho no montama nka menyi se ne yesete na pe no nka ye betinti no anye koye no rescue I call rescue so for ya medical abo meeting makasa na medical metia so aka se yenimu se nsem bi edikan esisi dada emampan for to ho anamo no as at the time I call rescue no nani case now I'm told say hwehwemu kusua so having said that no and run you see and police and penning for CID headquarters and penning for Amamata says all my sons so it's all my edisi so I mean non so hwehwemu ko and intino and not inside can any pension be omo free takwa buy no big story hono me what is they go no e show me no masem so for na kasa so e show any mwasa and I pay ye share nim say yes uncle for no and so for ni ba be kan sa headquarters commercial crime unit na yabo modern atia nhwehwemu no eso
Patranra so for it me yeah sorry
Enra ntia me minya and said bibisa uncle so of course it was in the process so it wasn't a completion and a master assembly kusia and in no baby anke bekasa sorry nyama but obin so bekasa sorry eba if you say honomo baby and sorry in the process of church no and I'm penning for my message said bibisa course so yes I rescue medical bossy eba
and right say soldier phobi so ko ho menim say bia mo coin mo koton wo mo a
no my news director in charge commercial crime minister briefing me ekasa na one mamma signal be as Bibisa echo so on. But of course, Bibisa so echo so on more. To say the medical canana peno, there are some way continue yet not and into no Mijidi is that it will come up if indeed Bibisa echo so, and then you be who acquire your day at the faso.
Pacho Bibia and say was sorry, Hodie.
Nyamenchadi and Nadia Bibia and say a was sorry, but of course, now you who say. Soft one on a linkwa, better, yes, and your mountain and none who say a better rescue a soft one and run. It's now no one build that I, dear man, and find signs some way up in Tino, a man of bill. Not to say a medical can assure him and nana pay, or Babacan, sir. Naya just interesting ways.
Mamma, was it, Julie?
Yes, Madame pay and get well soon.
All right, then, thank you. Juliana obeying DSP or Ghana Police Service on APR Roma CID. And look me by my waha, we must say, try and transfer it to you. Then I was okay.
There be someone one year make a
Yawa, Nana, same new. Trekking shots now, woman, Ama me ayare
oh, there be anyamia.
Meditum, Miss Mate. Best be many so.
Oh, Ako.
My yara, including you one guy. My yara,
wait there, young when
you can say what to be.
See no evil. Do me a man to her.
Oh, my name is Sister Makisi, this is what shall pass.
The might be crowned me.
Aye, me, my uncle, no, my count. Also, or chow pa. Yes, I'll call watch and no.
Oh, there be me call one chair last week. We crochet me.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I'm a coin, I'm coaching.
No chow. You as a while.
Now, can be say and Tuntumbi a cow and run now.
And then answer.
Utwicheno. Ukuno. Next time, yeah, oh, Santum no Mokawai Yapano, ya has your boss or Mofulalas. And Tuntumo Fulalas, if you are Becono born present. 1, 2, 1, 2,
kitty, or no D.
That's when you want.
Or cow, keke, unya, and work.
What do you? Animal cruelty.
There be no permanent.
And I'm mistakenly.
And someone who sent me born who
Tonight's already a tactical retreat.
Debbie.
Where manslaughter? Mosquito slaughter.
Imagine mosquito slaughter, not too.
Basa kono hebidia.
Michelle
why should Burundi the any be any one who knows?
Debbie me
number 5 no. Why yes, she chain will be as a brother. Why we go?
Open ceremony na mesheka can I me fe.
Namibia for ya.
And
omo player back who could try on one try my free kick. Ya free kick new your boy on once I had the ungu. After time aso, omo pentema kwa take no once I could no delay time. Not time aso. Also we uniform. Ungwande.
Debbie,
I said be a good crowd.
I don't know what kind of who yellow.
They were dying.
Oh, and that TV na was some art as in the sweaty compound haunted.
It's when it chance.
No, one when you are yeah, Nana may for Gold Street business, Emra. Na what they are who send be aba say Ghana enyumakua ho do a wo ha no mo a ye ne omudi edwa anasa ye ne omoye kotobeton anasa ye ne omobeka say ye din sa wo so no emu a empimienu pe ena say wo mo register data protection eno ne say e wo say ubie adwuma obeji nkrofo din wo mo ho nsem e de agu ho say bia ni date of birth ni certificate ene sa ne o ma na ukọ register na to me e hye wo say e wo say wo boss nipa no ne ho nsam no ho ban se de be ya empie nkwa abonten so ene sa na no ye hwe ye na obi certificate ene ye de chichiri chinchinga fifi mantamu na no ye hu se company bia Chinese company bia o mo so ye T rolls amount for hospital folders ebi free bono ebi free northern region ena wo mo de abegu ho aye yam na ye de aye T roll toilet roll e de amount for se nipa ne se wawusu o mo te ase ye nim na anka sa data protection ni wo mo akwa register the license a wo mo ne wo ewo apam a enni kwan sa wo ho nsam te sa wo certificate ebe pia abonten so akwa di baby and so companies in register ena obi aye de wo pe enti wo bo nsa wo ho no mo a na mobile telecommunications yi wo do data no wo nsɛm ama wo bi na nipa kro ye to chacha na nipa kro agye mu agu wo advert a wo hu hia da bia
sam na nam se mebisa senti o ye den no munya number
omo na omo de ma omo
because wo wa na obi say we na ye we
hey this is your girl so aboni do onya girl. This is your girl, Miss Bell, or you been trying to make me a bonny dean. Mobile Airtel phone and no more, sir. This is your girl, Miss Bell.
My short code be no
program. Where your girl?
No, my friend.
Oh, you're bigger about my girl. Oh, honey, I fro. Oh, honey, I send you a number.
A short code be.
Nana mean subscribe be that. Who subscribe near the
it is short code. What the emphasis work your short code. My number be there. Because me no here.
Now friend Anna.
Debbie, different.
Omo use 0600 numbers be different. Two or na fro.
Be quite short code 4 digits. Na friend.
Short code na fro.
I na fro. Only nu ni apambia. Near the data no bibia mani pakro. Pakro access.
What subscribe here?
You don't subscribe on the phone line.
Send me. I'm a person me no. Send me subscribe here. Nipa bia network na me yen se me Vodafone mo Vodafone so nyina
mentiase se nipa no kokogye a code no efiri sa company no ho a
fan say
me se me pesa cha
me pesa me catch them say e bia 1st July ye be party o Adom FM ye pesa wo ba there's a short code I will subscribe me to say the boy start the me ya all Vodafone numbers ebe from nyina ana me free bia no obete sa ad no
debut enti sa kojo onti ase tin wo ho a yemfa nse me makwa akwaje me sim say Vodafone say MTN say yeden me dia hye me phone mu me ho a no menya call wo benya call no so event we koso fa ho jim ene ade enya me enya me na ma subscribe
to say dia wenya call
no
enti wo pick here
I say a free network no.
It me number ko ye den
sa promoter no nya me number of frame.
The we nya ntiase. You subscribe with the provider, service provider no. The service provider na agim to all numbers are.
Na bi ni. That number we frame 3 days ago. That short code no be no.
And
so me know say me subscribe to telecom say me telecom services. Na say me ha na wo de me data na me yi na kwa komo obi na nipa kro ne me to chacha. Menya sa me to chacha e be text messages enti ni nyina na ne anibra ba empanifo am omani abre se ye ni omo e wa apam a eni kwan se ye information
branch na ye bo ne
ye nim ho hwe enti no the Bokrata Gold Street business e de ho sem no bi aba na nsa na branch no be kasa no brother Saminie brother Sami ya se ene what trend somebody dey mo penny some be trend here
and trend brother Sami
brother
medical ena ai madam fia ne ho fia strong man
na medical
strong man na mama ni anye no ho kra one medical na enya fela de na mane ewo eno so wanse mo metiase obi a obabi o support ya de
yes ani boy kotrim
fela is my girl
do dey ahwede enti ono your girl baba ko ne your girl
with him Ghanaian Times
and them tie me yent my cool
Ghanaian Times and Adibia ba was say gospel musician and ayache no say oton
daily graphic ne kuta ono
sawa hu and your daily graphic ya ne fa etoso edunsia and was say gospel musician brother Sami and aposifo memenda no wo mo kire no say oton spiritual water ya was say otumi de sa HIV any ni AIDS ya de nu nyina any yade a anu yesi anu ni aduo no was wanya anu aduo dumtufo e was say oye nation worshiper say wa baba dan nation healer and wodi video bi enam social media aposifo say ene wo mo nsa asonimu na Food and Drugs Authority FDA and wodi amanebo no kobo aposifo hwehwe na wo makwakodoa no say wo mo na wo nya hwehwemu say da ben na wobeka enufrafo ho wo Ghana ha ebe ye duyefo ama ene wanya aduru a wodi sayade wo breko a wo mo aban din anasa wo mo aban
na akuso ho video no video no say o say poison eno de insu fra it poison insu no de afra and what they sane oil now so why no what be a gum to the guma na poison me hu ye anka eken so anka yefita na so we de what the go so still an ekoko
tanya poison bia na kan so ebe
why dro
oh yes sir
mentiase why dro
there be nya dro oil
ne oil no okay kan niam
oil be ya
also why oil with the friends you now no man esa akomaya de esa be ma why mre wompem chese wa krawa kidney liver
what sure say no you rough there odi agro there
what oil si wa oton wa promotion Facebook
I saw agro bi so bu ne boarding o
na sa na edi agro
ye fa nipa pomudi asem eni agro
it is say ya che no
but US for na come hu bi omwai
say
say Ghana for 7,000 de king om do mbeba
o mo so munya isa na
ade ne hunu ya
sa sa mama
o mo hunu ye o na ye mu yete akra na ye hyede mu
ne ho om do mbeba o kwa Adom online obenya kan why say king na king
sa Canada for no ma ye se o mo na eche Canada for no emba mo no ye de nkokuma se o oh yes o nkoduru kumase ne ne bambofo atwamo ahia na ahwefo nyine na o musi kumase no bi esere
obi ani age
minim komokrom bete no nkran
okay
o musresa
abante ma che
ye yakwayo
ye frozen
me David
wo ye den
me camera technician
sa ewa he
multimedia
na camera da ona so da say ye den na say
enra be no nsiamu ho na menu said it a frame say what is it say asori bi ewo East Legon hona basa bi ti eba sa no na wasi yetumrika na yeko ti yekodu ye no yekoto soldier for any police for enti na ayese Adom ne police for ni soldier for no prepare so and ohwe se ne adwuma iti a sa moment no menyi ni se esu ebo mfaso se meba be hu police ni ana soldier ni se me pese me form ni ekoso no da wo se me ye madwuma na wo issue a ebi a me ID card e na abehwe be a me free ti a me de camera ato so me de me ID card kire still ana soldier for no ntia se adentina yaba ho no ti me de many of my nyanya no bia no an me ID card and credit no se ba ko edimrika eba me so enti me komachi nim no na ba ko so fa Adom nim eyi chain a o de bebo me in fact chain hon de anye ne del so sa enti ba ko so eje me camera no and me ne prayer na ma camera yi ahai no ebusa no
oh
yeah ti fact na nye easy nyaminti ya ni omo ewie ne pepepe
mu wie ne pepepe se
yeah on say captain ade ba ko ami hu okruma ne se e wo se emraso security agencies omo heads ni nyina omo tie ya e wo se omo aye adwuma no omo ni omo kasa yi because me semtroni me ye wotamfo ema bambofo me ye wotamfo matimamufu a ye koya na ase ye bai se bamboni ukuratio me etio no bi na minkura na so fo sa odi tuo be intimidate me ade achi ade san dako ebi ana ankofa asempa ama ne ekoso no mpanifo ne omo ye adwuma ne nkasa bambo adwuma ko no ebi mu wo akomapa omo de ye adwuma to extend say udu location kra na wo ye adwuma omo ba ho assist fa ha ye say na bibi ho antochima ata no ania me hu ye na ye me won say whole military officers na mo na mo ye oman ni ti o me wre hoyi say me ne oman ni ti pre na me di obuo ene ma atade na omo hye no ka enye papa na se yetoa so se ya ochina bi timamufo etwifa moso a da bia na tuo no bekura etuo no wanhwe ne ye betomre bi no na se etuo no ekodu hwam a ede ne besi tinu ana captain ye course no omo ne me preso na nye easy easy
ba so ho ye
o nyame adom ho ye
chain de anka
o mesom
oh
meso chain
went me amfa hwo
o David
o hu so ye slim ba ho de we strong man
ye prebi mu enye easy
won fa he
basa no chire no kwansima enem se obi yi military police for aso tre se soldier fo bi boban wo asori bi na susu se enye soldier fo adwuma ne saa de na yekoso ho no entintempa military police for no by fact ye mani so no omo so ye na omo ba ya na omo be fa omo egu kam and omo de omo koe na omo ye nipa 5 bet 3 and omo enya omo and na 2 ne de
omo dwane
no omo dwane
oh
yeah omo dwane
ente no wonya bibi twa ya na camera ne say kra ntime
mi twa me ya adwuma no
okay
na ayareho because eno ane e course no say temamufo no edu ba bi na me na wo se me ne omo kasa ene me reporter me ne ko news editor ne omo kasa se omo nya abotre na ye ne omo ana eye adwuma ade achi ade esa ne wenti no omo ene omo nye basabasa bia eno ana senka ya nye ne sanka ne besi de nyame o hata soro penini konenka o man nti asempa.
All right. Then now I say, me jidi penny for my officially my report am police.
Anopei na ye tutu niema na ye hu omo.
And now I say.
Bese omo mpanimfo ni bi nsu tie ya obi wo number on frɛ na bibi o ho se omoba na ye ne omoka. Ye ntimi nka no mframa. Omo momodin ana omo bra me. Yeah, omo mehu na ye nkasa cause ehu hia.
Omo mra no mbaje.
Yeah, ehu hia.
Ebra kwadwo. Ye ko bambo ma ye obibi e friend say civil power. Civil power ne say edru ba bia ase the police for ne ye na abro omo so nye hia military for. And then your friend is civil power, but they no cry no. In Sibasa sao, there is a plan. A quite a mufaso or modebem, a quite mufaso or take control, a quite mufaso or more neutralize it, and son a bibia to dino, or more exit, a quite befaso mobe jemodiama police for 18 secobase, nipebi, Emma, military for money for sa. Miss media minim so me military for, and I ye never say a chom. It no your best for they shouldn't nipa shouldn't abuse to me na dia mom no
Malinda Masi and then the about the better Vitamin Greenfield Scientific Herb and Franco Trading one of the said the faber also and then the melano baby what's your cofano idea of and bon the other for crack to your by it.